This particular video is for all the NEET 2026 aspirants. All those students who want to know that which all chapters they can skip and still score 600 plus when it comes to the NEET 2026 examination. My dear students, in this particular session, I'll let you know which all chapters you're not supposed to do, which all sub-chapters you can skip, but still you can score like 600 plus when it comes to the NEET 2026 examination. I'm going to tell you all those things. So watch this video till the end, and at the end of the session, there is a small announcement for all of you as well. Well, my dear students, since you know there'll be a lot of students among you who will be having a strong command on biology subject, they will be having physics weaker, chemistry comparatively better. Similarly, there'll be some students, they'll be having biology strong, physics strong, but chemistry weak. So I'm going to cater all the types of the students here in this particular session. So therefore, I have come with 3 blocks over here. Block 1, Block 2, and Block 3. So one by one, I'm going to talk about all these blocks. My dear students, Block 1. In Block 1, if you look carefully, you have to score 340 plus in biology, you have to score 130 plus in chemistry, and you have to score 130 plus in physics. Then only you can cross the 600 marks. Now, it means that your biology is your strongest subject, which has to be. Your physics and chemistry, they are equally strong, right? Not very strong, but to some extent they are strong. The point is, in order to get 130 plus in chemistry, 130 plus in physics, what all chapters you have to do and what all chapters you have to leave. So let's talk about Block 1 first. My dear students, you cannot skip a single chapter when it comes to bio. Just have this thing in mind. Not a single chapter can be skipped in bio, because bio is going to be the most scoring this time as well. Every year it's most scoring. This year also it's most scoring as well as easy, right? So you can easily score 340 plus in biology, and you have to score 340 plus in biology if you want to score just 130 in physics and just 130 in chemistry, right? So biology you have to do at any cost completely, right? When it comes to your physics, if you want to score around 130 in your physics, my dear students, then first thing, you have to do your class 12th physics completely. You cannot skip a single chapter from class 12th physics. And you know, class 12th physics, that's comparatively easier when it comes to your class 11th physics, right? Easy to that extent, if a question comes from class 12th physics, majority of the students, they're able to solve those questions. Perfect, because class 12th physics is comparatively easier than that of class 11th physics. So my dear students, class 12th physics completely you have to do, because it contains high weightage chapters, right? Electrostatics, optics, semiconductors, modern, right? All the high weightage chapters are basically from class 12. So do not skip a single chapter from class 12 physics. When it comes to class 11th, from your class 11th syllabus of your physics, you can do some selective chapters. You will do units and dimensions, which is easy. Vectors is easy. Kinematics, gravitation, KTG thermo, waves and oscillations. These are the chapters which you're supposed to do when it comes to your class 11th physics, because these chapters are easy. And if you are doing class 12th physics and these particular chapters of your class 11th physics, my dear students, easily you can score 130 plus when it comes to your physics. Perfect. But you have to do these chapters in such a way that if a question comes from these chapters, you should be in a position to solve those questions for sure, right? Now, in order to get 130 plus in chemistry, what all things you can leave, what all things you can study. First of all, your inorganic chemistry is the most scoring one, because questions directly come from NCERT when it comes to inorganic. So read your NCERT line by line when it comes to your inorganic chemistry, right? So complete your whole inorganic chemistry. Don't skip inorganic, because it's easy. It's easy. In your organic chemistry, if you think your organic chemistry is comparatively weaker, you just need to do GOC isomerism, which is something majority of the students already do, GOC isomerism, and with that, just hydrocarbon chapter. Okay? And when it comes to your physical you have to do completely. So you have to do inorganic chemistry completely, you have to do physical completely, and if your organic is comparatively weaker, you can go for GOC, isomerism, and hydrocarbons. And if you are doing this much in chemistry, but in such a way that a question comes from these chapters, you will be in a position to solve that. You'll be easily scoring 130 plus when it comes to your chemistry, my dear students, right? So togetherly, combinedly, from your block 1, you are getting 600 plus, and you are getting to know which chapters you can leave from block 1. Now, block 2 students is basically for those who have got less strength in physics, more strength in chemistry, maximum strength in biology. So first of all, if I talk about block 2 students, in block 2, my dear students, again, there is no compromise for biology. You have to score 340 plus in biology at any cost. 340 plus in biology should be scored, which is easy as well, right? So you cannot skip a single chapter from biology. But when it comes to your physics, since in physics you just have to score some 110 plus, Okay, you have to score 150 plus in chemistry. You have to score 340 plus in biology. For that, you have to do complete biology. But when it comes to your physics, you just have to do 110 plus marks. Perfect. How you can attain 110 plus marks from the easy chapters? Let me tell you, complete class 12 physics should be done. Do not skip a single chapter again from class 12 physics because that's easier, right? When it comes to class 11th, from class 11th physics, you can do some selective chapters again, units, dimensions, vectors, gravitation, KTG, and thermodynamics, right? These are the selected chapters which you are supposed to do from your physics. If you do these chapters from your physics, you can easily score 110 plus in your physics, my dear students, right? But again, I'm telling you, you have to do these chapters in such a way that if a question comes from these chapters, you should be in a position to solve them. Okay, then only you can skip other chapters. And when it comes to chemistry, I would never recommend you to leave inorganic chemistry. Do your inorganic chemistry completely, right? Since you have to score 150 plus in chemistry, so you have to do complete inorganic, complete complete organic chemistry. And when it comes to physical chemistry, any two tough chapters which you feel are tough, you can skip them. Need two chapters of your physical chemistry you can skip. If you are doing complete inorganic, complete organic, and if you are skipping just two tough chapters of your physical chemistry which you feel are tough, right? By doing this effectively, my dear students, you can easily score 150 plus when it comes to chemistry. So combinedly, if you see, again, 600 plus marks you're getting by following block 2 as well. The choice is all yours. Either follow block 1 or block 2 if you are just looking to cross 600 marks. Similarly, in your block 3, again, if you want to score 600 plus, but your chemistry is comparatively weaker than physics. Now, what all chapters you can leave in chemistry? What all chapters you can leave in physics? What do we have to do? My dear students, first of all, biology at any cost, 340 plus. For that, your complete bio is required. You have to study complete biology, right? In physics, if your physics is stronger, then you can score 150 plus. And in order to do 150 plus in physics, complete class 11th and 12th physics is required. But you can again leave two of the tough chapters of your class 11th physics. For example, rotational. Rotation is something which majority of the students feel tough. You can leave that, right? With that, you can leave one more chapter. But you have to study all the other things apart from that. In such a way that question comes from those chapters, you should be in a position to solve them. Perfect. So complete class 11th and 12th, but you can skip some two tough chapters of your class 11th. And if you do this, you can score 150 plus in your physics as well. And when it comes to chemistry, if your chemistry is weaker and if you want just to score some 110 plus in chemistry, then my dear students, do one thing. If you just want to score 110 plus in chemistry, my dear students, I would recommend one thing. Do your physical chemistry completely. Do your inorganic chemistry completely. And from your organic, you can go for GOC if your organic is weaker. But there will be a lot of students who will find organic easy but physical tough. Then what I would suggest, complete organic you have to do, complete inorganic you have to do, and few easy chapters of your physical chemistry, like you can go for atomic structure, right? You can go for redox reactions, which is easy. You can go for solution, which is easy. So few chapters of physical chemistry also you can go with, right? And easily you can score 110 plus when it comes to your chemistry. And eventually, combinedly, again, you are going to score some 600 plus, my dear students. Now, it's completely your wish which block you want to follow. Block 1, block 2, or block 3. Perfect. My dear students, this is something which I believe nobody is going to tell you, but I have taken a lot of time to design this program for you so that you get to know exactly what is your strength, how to act upon your strength, what is your weakness, how to convert your weakness into your strength. Perfect. And at the same time, on this particular channel, on your Unacademy NEET English channel, my dear students, if you do not know, then there is something I need to show you. We are currently doing a special series on this particular channel, right? For example, you can see complete class 11th physical chemistry. Complete class 11th physical chemistry. It will take me some 12 hours to complete this particular complete class 11th physical chemistry in detail, right? This session is scheduled on Monday 10 a.m. All right? It's going to be a 12-hour marathon. I would highly recommend you guys to join this particular session on Monday exactly at 10 a.m. because I'll be doing your entire class 11th physical chemistry in detail with all the problem patterns, all the theory, every single thing, not skipping a single thing. Similarly, there are other marathons which have happened on this particular channel, right? And more marathons are going to come. Perfect. Wherein your entire syllabus we are completing in these marathons. For example, if you look again, okay, one thing which I would want to tell you, do not forget to click on notify me. Do not forget to like the session as well, right? Do like the session so that I get to know how many students are really serious when it comes to the NEET 2026 preparation, right? And my dear students, at the end, as I told you, there are more sessions. If you go to this particular channel and if you go to the live category, you can see your complete class 11th physics, complete class 12 zoology, complete class 11th inorganic I have taken few days back, top 300 questions of inorganic, right? Complete class 12 physics out, physical chemistry I have done, then their top like 300 questions of physical chemistry, etc., etc. So we are currently running this series, which is super beneficial for all of you. So do not skip a single session from this particular series as well. And do join me on Monday exactly at 10 a.m. It's going to be a massive session. You are going to score some 60 marks from one single session, guys, on Monday exactly at 10 a.m. Right? So with this, I'll be taking leave. My dear students, in comment section, I would just want one thing: doctor followed by your name, right? And the PDF of all the sessions I keep on sharing on my Telegram. The name of the Telegram channel is Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official. WASSIM Chemistry Official is the name of the Telegram channel on which I keep on sharing all the handwritten PDFs, all the DPPs, all the important information. So do not forget to join that particular Telegram channel as well. With this, I'll be taking leave. God bless you all. Love you all. Hope you enjoyed the session and good luck, guys. Bye bye.